Obviously, the frontal lobe is located at the frontal and upper area of the cortex. It carries out higher mental processes that plays a main role in thinking, decision-making, and planning. I use it nearly every day for deciding what to eat at morning. If I want to speak fluently, this part of brain is necessarily required. Moreover, when I have a lot of works that need to be done in a short span of time, the frontal lobe helps me organizing my limited time. The temporal lobe, which is responsible for processing auditory information from ears, is located at the bottom middle part of cortex and right behind the temples. It works hard both when I'm listening to a radio or a speech. Likewise, without the temporal lobe, it will be impossible for me to figure out if I'm out of tune when I'm playing violin. Furthermore, at the bottom back part of the cortex, the occipital lobe is located. Processing visual information from the eyes is the main job of the occipital lobe. It plays a big role in correctly understanding what my eyes are seeing, and I use it approximately all the time when I'm awake. If my occipital lobe is damaged, I'll not be able to take any photos. Last but not least, the cerebellum is located at the lower area of the brain, which is below the pons. The cerebellum is responsible for coordination of human body, so it is essential for me to being able to stay balanced when I'm working or running. In addition, without the cerebellum, I'll not be able to write accurately. Thalamus is a part of forebrain that is below the corpus callosum. It is responsible for relaying information from the sensory receptors to proper areas of the brain where it can be processed. Without the transmitting of the thalamus, none of my five senses will be able to work because my lobes cannot receive any information from them. As a part of limbic system, the amygdala is located at the end of the hippocampus. It is responsible for the memory of emotions. The amygdala makes me feel the emotion of fear when I see something dangerous and threatening. Above the pituitary gland and below the thalamus, the hypothalamus is located. The hypothalamus plays a main role in behavior such as hunger and thirst. The hypothalamus always reminds me when I forget drinking water or having meals. It also helps me to maintain a constant temperature. Pons, area of the hindbrain that sits directly above the medulla, connects upper and lower parts of the brain. It is a message station that helps relay messages between several areas of my brain. Besides, pons is a dream maker that plays a key role when I'm sleeping. Below the pons, the medulla is located at the lower part of the brainstem. It regulates life-sustaining functions. I cannot live without the medulla because it carries out involuntary crucial tasks such as breathing and heart rate.